Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail, and this one I believe is from a Black Friday deal that this place was having. Now I decided to order from here. Anybody who watches my videos knows that I'm not too happy with this company from some previous dealings with them. But once in a while when I'm looking for a good price or a good deal, I may give places an opportunity to redeem themselves. And so I figured I'd take a chance on this place because they had a couple rounds that I was looking for, and I know they're no longer made. The company's out of business, and also if I look on eBay, they go for pretty good money. And this is one of the few collections I'm trying to build. So why don't we go ahead and take a look? Alright, let me see if I can get into this. I got my trusty little knife out. Let's see, I'm sure there's going to be an invoice in there. So I'll pump it up here a little bit. And there is an invoice, so let me... Alright, so what do we have here? Well, got a magnet, and as you can see now it's from Provident, the Welch Dragon. Alright, so we got ourselves a magnet. We got some weight here. So the deal was I had to order a generic. They had generic on Black Friday for spot. So these two things didn't equal $100 or $99 for free shipping. So I had to order a generic bar for spot, and nothing wrong with that, right folks? Alright, so I'm going to get it out of this plastic, out of these flips, because they are too shiny. Well, look at how shiny this thing is. Ooh. So it says Liberty on it, and let me get my loop out. It has a little symbol on there. The symbol is, it's an RMC bar. And you can see, boy, talk about a mirror finish, huh? And then on the back is a buffalo. 999 fine silver. So this really isn't the star of the show, although getting bullion for spot should always be the star of the show. So let me go ahead and put that over there. It's going to be very hard to see because of the mirror reflection, but that's okay. It's a generic bar. We will take that every day. Now this is what I ordered it for. So, wow, these are nice. So let me show you the first one. This is Pearl Harbor. Boy, are we going to be able to see that? Wow, that is shiny. Let me see if I can bring my camera down a little bit. I don't know if we're going to be able to see that very well. It's Pearl Harbor. And this is part of the Elemetal Series. This is a 2-ounce round. Look at that. Thick, meaty, chunky round. I've got another one here. I'll have to find my original one for the reason I purchased this. I've got it's a Liberty one with the Statue of Liberty and a flag. That was the one. There's 4 of them. And so this is the second one I bought. Pearl Harbor. What if I hold it like this and zoom in? That's a little better. So you can see the Pearl Harbor building there. I've been there. Mrs. TB and I went a few years ago to Hawaii. It's a very dramatic place to visit. An American Landmark. So this is part of the American Landmark Series. And you can see down there 2 ounces of fine silver. High relief. I want to get my fingers all over, but look at the high relief on this. Stuff is sticking out of the top there. That's a beauty, huh? Woo! 2 ounces. Alright, that was on sale for Black Friday. That's why I bought it. Let's take a look at this one. This is another one in the series, the Grand Canyon. High relief. See the high relief there? And then what does it say up on top there? I guess it doesn't say anything. I thought that was some wording up there. And again, flip it over. It's got these same American landmarks on it. The high relief North America. 2 ounces fine silver. Wow, look at the shine on that thing. Ooh, dropped it. So let's see both of those on the screen for a moment. Yeah, let's leave it flipped over so we see the other side. Both backs are the same. And you know what I just realized? These did not come in any capsules. Well, you might see a cut there. I just did a face reveal. But yeah, I wish it would have came in capsules. Not that I can't buy any. But the one I picked up before from the coin show, this was the first one I picked up. And I recently gave one of these to Silver Steeler in Winning Image Photography. Mrs. TB and myself gave him one for a Christmas present. Around the Talking Bullion round. It's really hard to see that high relief, but really, really beautiful. And then, of course, the back looks the same. Came in a capsule, though. I will have to get some capsules for these other two. And then again, there's one more. I believe there's 4 in the American Landmark Series, right there at the top. And then there's Mount Rushmore. And that's the last one to pick up. And again, they had, Provident had these Black Friday on sale. And so that's how I picked them up. Because I've been keeping my eye on them, but I didn't want to pay too much. I believe they're $42 a piece, and that's really good. It's better than I paid for this, and better than I paid for the other ones I bought. So I took advantage of the Black Friday deal, but these are 2 ounces. Look at how thick that is. Let's compare it to a, let me see, do I have a 1 ounce round handy? I bet I do here somewhere. Let me see if I can find one. I just would like to show off the meatiness of this thing. Alright, so I picked this up at a coin show a few weeks ago. It's got some nice toning to it, but what I really want to do is just show you the difference in size on these 2 ounces. Look at that, man. This is a nice, meaty piece of metal. Let's take a minute to look at the Engelhard round. Some of you know that a 1984 has 2 different backs. They changed it mid-year. There's the big E and then the Eagle. This one happens to be the Eagle. Got this for just a little bit above spot. That's why I bought it. Anytime you can get a Engelhard above spot or around spot, that's a pretty good deal. And so yeah, let me zoom back out here. So this was not picked up during the Black Friday sale. This is what caused these two to be bought. You guys all know how that is, huh? Buy one thing and it causes you to have to buy others. And then we have this generic bar. So I believe 42.42 would have been 84. And that right there at spot would have put me just at like 101 or just barely over $100. Enough to get free shipping. So pretty cool, huh? Those are some nice pieces of metal for sure. So yeah, Black Friday pulls through and gets some very good priced $9.99 fine silver. That's it for now. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.